Today we're going to show you how to add a new user to your location using the Haven smartphone app. Our app is available at the Apple App Store and Google Play. Just search Haven Lighting. Before we get started, make sure the user you wish to add has set up an account on the app. Okay, let's go. To add a new user, open the Haven app, tap the menu, and then tap Settings. Select Add User. Enter the email address of the user you wish to add. Below is a list of locations. If you have more than one location, they will show up here. I only have one for this example. Under that is the location alias. By default, it will add the beginning of the location owner's email to the beginning of the alias. This is handy for our installers, who have access to a number of locations. Adjust this alias if need be, and tap Create. Your new user is now added. They can now control the lights and edit schedules of that location. Now let's show you how to transfer ownership of a location. You may want to do this if you move, or if you're an installer, you'll be using this feature a lot to give the homeowner ownership of their system. Go to Settings and tap Transfer Ownership. Enter the email address of the user you wish to transfer ownership to. Once again, your locations will be listed here. Make sure the proper location is selected. If you wish to maintain access to this location, you can tap here. Tap Transfer. It'll ask if you're sure, because this cannot be undone. Tap OK. Success. This location now has a new owner. If you have any questions or need help with anything else, give us a call or check out our website at havenlighting.com. Thanks for watching.